This is some spiral art that I did today, and with my spiral art set pieces, it came with this piece, it came with this piece, it came with this piece, and one made like a heart and a star and an oval. And these other pieces, and these two, and this piece. And it also came with this red pen, this green pen, and this blue pen. For when you draw it, you could trace over the lines in colors if you want. Like this one, I traced over the lines in blue. This one, I traced over the lines in red. This one, I traced over the lines in blue. And this one, I traced over the lines in red. So this was my spiral art set that I got today, and I did these drawings and I colored them. And it also came with these blank pieces of paper. And I also already had this spiral art set right here, and it came with this green one and with this orange one. But some of my other smaller pieces I can use with this one as well. So thank you for watching and have a great day.